giving awards to those out there in the East who are killing in the name of
that they are criminals. They are criminals. They are not part of this family. We are called a family for a reason. We've come to save our people, not to enslave them. Anybody conducting any type of activity that contravenes the welfare of our people is a criminal and must be dealt with.
Wait, when you say repeat this one.
Anybody who is involved in any form of criminality, any form of violence or subversion in the name of Biafra is not part of this family. Our family is noble. It's called IPOB. It's all over the world.
So you condemn anything that has to do with killing in the Southeast?
Why would I kill violence? People have sacrificed my parents for them. Why would I want to kill any other person after that?
Anybody who's committing crime in the name of IPOB is on his own.
He's a criminal. I've said it. He's a criminal and should be dealt with adequately.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.